Hello, it is Francisco here from EggWebTut, and right now I will be explaining you how to add a create new password page to your Wix website using Velo. Yeah, that's right, another Velo video here, another Velo by Wix video. Yeah. Velo. Okay. So why would you want to add a create new password page to your Wix website, right? Well, because if you do that, then like when people are members in your website, they can usually create a new password. Yeah, they can create a new password. If they forgot their password, then they can create a new one. Yeah. Or just create a new one because they didn't like their old password. You can like add a link to the create new password page in the login form for people forgot their password. Yeah. And it's very easy, right? It's just a great idea, as you say, to add a create new password page to your Wix website using Velo by Wix. So, without saying anything else, let's start this tutorial. So the first thing that you will need to do is go to the intro of the website that you are visiting right now, and now we are gonna go there too, and we're gonna of course put turn on developer mode because we're gonna use Velo for this video. We're gonna use code for this video. Now we're gonna go to this menus and pages thing, and now we're gonna go to add page, and we're gonna add the create new password page, right? And now for making this to work, we're not gonna we don't need to like add anything to the page or anything. We just need to open the code panel there, and now we will need to put a code that we will get from this link there that will be in the description of this video. So we're gonna copy all that code there from that link there that will be in the description of this video, as I just said. And now we're gonna paste that code there. Now we have created a forgot password page, right? So now we're usually gonna test it. So we're gonna publish it, save it, publish it. And now we will need to go to that create new password page to test it. Okay, there. And now we have successfully done a create new password page. Of course, if anything goes wrong, you can leave a comment here on this video. You can email me at eggwebtut@gmail.com, and you can usually join my Discord server and message me there. So to create a new password, for the members to create a new password there, we'll need to enter their member email address through your website. So I'm just gonna enter my email there as an example, eggwebtut@gmail.com. Now we're gonna click create password, and now the email will be sent to the member that just did that to the member that wanted to create a new password. Um, so they will just need to see their email and then see like that it go to like their email thing, I don't know, dashboard, whatever, and then like open the email that we send, and then there will be like an email there. They will have to follow some directions there to create a new password. Of course, if you want to test it, then you can test it there with your email or wherever you want. And by this was all. I mean, not wherever you want. Yeah, you can test it like there with your email. It cannot be like you cannot test it with a test email because of course they will send you the email and they will not be able to send the email to a test email. So you need to put a real email to usually test it, right? And now that I have explained how to create a new password page to your Wix website using Velo by Wix. Now, by this was all the video because I have already finished explaining, and by this was all the video.